Think you really know what happens to your lunch after you swallow it? 21 questions follow your food from your first bite all the way to pure energy. Call your answers out loud and see how many you truly nail. Welcome to Body of Knowledge, where curious minds test what they think they know. Question 1. Which one actually starts breaking down the bread you eat? Is it your mouth or your stomach? Lock in your guess before I reveal it. It's the mouth. Your saliva carries an enzyme called amylase that starts splitting starch into sugar the instant you chew. So digestion is already underway long before food ever reaches your stomach. Question 2. The highlighted organ churns food into paste but absorbs almost nothing. Which is it? The candidates are A. Stomach, B. Small intestine, C. Liver. The right answer is A. Stomach. The stomach's muscular walls mash your food into a paste called chyme, and its acid kills off microbes. But the real work of absorbing nutrients waits for the small intestine downstream. Question 3. Which part of your digestive tract is the longest in a living body? Is it the small intestine, the large intestine, the esophagus, or the stomach? It's the small intestine. In a living person, muscle tone holds the small intestine near 10 feet. After death, it relaxes to about 20 feet, which is exactly why older textbooks quote that longer figure. Question 4. Which organ is not part of your digestive system? So your choices are A. Stomach, B. Liver, C. Pancreas, D. Kidney. You're looking at D. Kidney. The liver and pancreas pour bile and enzymes into digestion, but the kidneys only filter your blood to make urine. They never touch your food, so they belong to the urinary system. Question 5. About how much saliva do your glands make in a single day? Is it 1.5 liters, 0.2 liters, or 5 liters? It's about 1.5 liters. Your salivary glands pump out roughly 1 to 1.5 liters a day to moisten food, kick off starch digestion, and protect your teeth. You swallow and recycle most of it without ever noticing. Question 6. This velvety gut lining is why you absorb so much of your food. What is it? You've got A. Villi, B. Cilia, C. Alveoli. It's A. Villi. Millions of tiny finger-like villi, plus even smaller microvilli, fold the small intestine's lining into a vast surface. That turns a narrow tube into an absorbing area about the size of a room. Question 7. Which meal lingers in your stomach longer before moving on? Is it a cheeseburger or a soda? It's the cheeseburger. Fat and protein slow stomach emptying, so a greasy burger can sit for hours while a sugary soda leaves in minutes. That is exactly why fatty meals keep you feeling full longer. Question 8. Put these on the path food travels first to last. Down the board, they are stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and esophagus. The esophagus comes first. Food rides the esophagus down to the stomach, gets mashed, then the small intestine absorbs the nutrients before the large intestine reclaims water and packs the rest for exit. Question 9. Guess this substance made inside your gut. It is strong enough to dissolve some metals, yet your body makes it on purpose. Its pH near 1.5 kills most germs riding in on your food, and only a thick mucus layer stops it from digesting your own stomach. Is it hydrochloric acid, bile, or lactic acid? It's hydrochloric acid. Your stomach secretes hydrochloric acid to unfold proteins and destroy pathogens. while a constantly renewed mucus and bicarbonate layer keeps that acid from eating the stomach itself. If your own body just got a little more amazing, subscribe to Body of Knowledge for fresh science every single week. Question 10. Guess this often blamed little organ. Surgeons remove it and you feel fine, so people call it useless. It dangles off the very start of your large intestine, and new research says it stashes good gut bacteria to reboot you after illness. Is it the appendix, the gallbladder, or the spleen? It's the appendix. Long dismissed as leftover plumbing, the appendix appears to be a safe house for beneficial gut bacteria, restocking your intestine after an illness like severe diarrhea wipes the microbes out. Question 11. Why can chewing a plain cracker for a minute make it start tasting sweet? The candidates are A. Saliva breaks starch into sugar. B. Your taste buds get tired. C. Stomach acid rises up. D. The cracker absorbs your spit. That's A. Saliva breaks starch into sugar. That was the warm-up, and real experts start right here. Keep track of your score, because these next ones trip up almost everybody. Question 12. How often does your stomach completely replace its inner lining? Is it every 4 days, every 4 months, or every 4 years? It's every 4 days. Living in acid is brutal, so the stomach rebuilds its lining every few days. That relentless renewal is exactly what keeps its own acid from digesting it away. Question 13. These microbes make vitamins and crowd out invaders. What are they? Take your pick. A. Gut microbes. B. Red blood cells. C. White blood cells. The answer, of course, is A. Gut microbes. Trillions of gut microbes ferment fiber, synthesize vitamins like K and some B group, and take up space so harmful bacteria can't get a foothold. They act like a whole extra organ. Question 14. Guess this part of your food. Your own enzymes cannot break it down at all. It passes into your large intestine almost untouched, and your gut bacteria feast on it while it keeps you regular. Is it fiber, starch, or gluten? It's fiber. Fiber survives your digestion intact, then gut bacteria ferment it into short-chain fatty acids that feed your colon cells, while its bulk keeps everything moving smoothly. Question 15. Your small intestine is about 20 feet long, so how does it fit inside you? Here are your choices. A. It is coiled and folded up. B. It inflates only when eating. C. It stretches when you stand. The answer is A. It is coiled and folded up. Question 16. Guess this quick access fuel stored in your body. It's kept in your liver and muscle, built from thousands of glucose units chained together, and when your blood sugar dips, your liver breaks it back into glucose. Is it glycogen, keratin, or collagen? It's glycogen. Extra glucose gets linked into glycogen for quick storage, then your liver snaps it back apart to release glucose between meals, keeping your blood sugar and your brain steadily fueled. Question 17. Which food makes your body burn more calories just to digest it? Is it grilled steak or butter? It's grilled steak. protein has the highest thermic effect, so your body spends about 20 to 30% of its calories just breaking it down, versus a few percent for fat. Not all calories cost the same. Question 18. Match each nutrient to the energy it packs per gram. Your left column is fat, alcohol, carbs, and fiber. And the matches, top to bottom, are 2 calories, 9 calories, 7 calories, and 4 calories. Here's the match. Fat packs 9 calories, alcohol 7, carbs 4, and fiber just 2. Question 19. Which food is least likely to give you gas? On the board, A. Black beans, B. Broccoli, C. Onion, D. White rice. And the answer is D. White rice. Beans, broccoli, and onions carry fibers and sugars your gut bacteria ferment into gas, while white rice is almost fully absorbed in the small intestine, leaving little for the microbes. Question 20. Why does most of the energy from your meal end up passing through your liver first? You've got A. Blood from your gut goes there first. B. The liver stores all your food. C. It digests fat before the stomach. You're looking at A. Blood from your gut goes there first. Here's the clever design. Blood loaded with nutrients from your intestines flows straight to the liver before anywhere else, so it can sort, store, and detoxify the incoming haul before releasing that energy out to the rest of your body. Question 21. Roughly how much ATP, your body's energy currency, do you recycle each day? Is it about 130 pounds, about 5 pounds, or about 1 pound? It's about 130 pounds. Your cells hold only a tiny stock of ATP, so they recycle each molecule thousands of times a day. Added up, that's roughly your entire body weight in ATP made and spent every single day. This one blows people's minds. That's all 21, so add up your score and drop it in the comments, along with the one question that got you. If you learned something new about the incredible machine you live in, tag the friend who thinks they know their own body and see who scores higher. Thanks for exploring with me here at Body of Knowledge, and remember, this is for learning and wonder, not medical advice. I'll see you in the next one.